The proof of the pudding is in the eating. You need a school, you need a university, you need a college. And these colleges are not between four walls, which has proved to be a failure now anyway. It's not about limitations, boundaries. It's not about doing a business with education. It's about actually proving to the person experiences self-realization. He can feel it just as much as he feels that he is existing by virtue of consciousness. He knows his presence. He knows his existential reality. He knows the pulse of it inside. I exist, like the famous René Descartes, rationalist. Cogito ergo sum. I think, therefore I am. He had some basic intelligence put into it. He said, you see, the only thing that's a constant and a reality is I, me. All right? Cogito, cognizance. I am alive and kicking, consciously existing, feeling, willing, thinking. All this is going on. Therefore, I am a constant reality that I know I exist. Right? This is a process by which you can actually see, yes, I'm moving ahead. I can see it. You don't have to convince others, and you may not be able to convince others. But it is an experience that you will have. You'll be moved up. Right from Adav Shraddha. In the beginning, Adi. In the beginning, Adav. Shraddha means a little faith. Faith is very, very central. And faith is very important for making a start. Not the faith in the way that people say today faith means is connected very much with religion. If you see the definition of religion in the dictionary, they will speak about a faith in a particular certain codes, certain, edicts, certain, something religious scripture or whatever. You have faith. They brought down faith to something very small. Because they say we are all faith-based organizations and we guys are reason-based, intellectual-based, questioning-based. Like René Descartes, I have the power to actually think and therefore I must utilize it to understand. There is a limitation to how much you can think on your own. Because there is something called speculation that you'll go into. And all speculations are not at all true. So therefore you must accept a person who knows. It's not that, others don't have faith. Even cogito ergo sum, I think I'm using you're putting faith in your own faculty. You're putting faith in your capacity to be able to think. And you're thinking that you'll be able to think about this amazing amount of information all by your own. No, you need aids. You need the scripture. You need the guru. You need practicing people. You need a whole college of people whom you can study with and see others doing it, believing in it, practicing it, and passing examinations in life by applying it. Therefore, you get confidence. And plus, you need that simple little intelligence also. It's not a dumb thing that only consciousness and some guru will do. You have to exercise your intelligence. In other words, consciously, you will exercise all your faculties and examine it and understand it, perform, get the knowledge and then perform, apply it. And then at the end, you get the fruit of it. It's a process. It's called the process of knowledge. It works. It starts with a little faith and in the end, it gives you the highest benefit, prema, love of God.